Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to link one slide to another slide in PowerPoint. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we should do is open a PowerPoint document. Now let's suppose we have several slides. We will select the slide we want to link and then click on the Insert button in our toolbar. We will choose the Shapes option and then select the shape we want to use as a button. We will draw it in our slide, and if we double click on our shape we can insert text. I will put back to the first one. Now, if we right click on the shape, we will see several options. We will click on the link option and then choose the place in this document option. Now we will see the slides that we already have. We will choose the one we want to link to. And now when we play the presentation and reach the last slide, if we click on the button, it will take us to the first slide. And that's it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.